Eyuna kangun luda alumnitos kotoma oseveru ya gitigita imuriato Teso College Aloet Bustema University Soroti College of Commerce St. Mary's Girls SS Kesaja Ikina Osemero loko Teso College Aloet. Dr. Joseph Eciru Oliach ngesida ekeuningun kotoma sban nuda edoko kina eyunak akwatra kaisakany akanin
Tumuke moyola kayona inyonyo ikino wali tikokongyo opirimasi wali tikokongyo esa sala kindo berayo la tulika borokere lasonyo tulika mena ngata betuli berayo iye ngale bala itimi timada igone ke uroko bari tuliki asala kina re tuliki ida twana rayo da tulika esa tikokongyo mambo birao ngoba toti this way nyodoka as we sing together.
Rangin irwanana sodit Bishop Eciru ai tolot ai na petanu na aidok eyunak kotomo semero kangol Eciru ngesida yata kitebe ai joja itoi na eyunak Okanisan lwe kitigita nisida mame buni ai nakin eyunak ajenun Yesu docho
Aupa kinosike de moyo lo nyoere la gayon velo mareta soma nyito upa kinosike de moyo lo nyoere mami uparos ke libele keka lwa kolodongo uparosike de moyo lo nyoere la gayon ara nyese ya una choa nyese ya una misiki nyese ya uni aije soto maijarana aupa kinosi kede moyo lo gayon ingari ni kijoto morot ingari ni kijoto maijana kini loka suban
Julius Opaso Apolone Semro loko Teso College Aloet ngesida abui Shalamik Bishop Eciru no achamuno ale package.
This lordship, Bishop Hosea was here and we gathered in a similar manner. I can assure you, your lordship, that had it not been because of the small nature of the church, we would be in the chapel. But we felt that since this is a school chapel, the event is for the school. Let's gather in the school so that the community can also have a feel of the school. And that's why the community is here. Members of the community, you are most welcome. This is our school and this is our area.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.